Streetwise things. Una remember that guy, that boy wey corner me sometime. Na him the boy say he go follow me go spread good news o. Na him I don go their house twice today. Hey! The mother say he dey sleep since the morning. I kukuma drop one number for him mama. Tell am say if he come or if he wake up anytime, tell am say for dis street wey we dey, say some people wetin dey need na to carry dat big alarm clock wey village church people dey use put am for dem head so dat e go ring when time reach make dey go find their daily waka. Wetin belle go chop. You know say make I ask you later now you go say I no drop update for you. Answer dis question for me. Now who be the village people? You see say for dis street wey we dey some people don use dem hand be the village people for themselves for dem head. Street wise things see am na. Ụmụaka gbasa ala school. Somebody still dey sleep. Later they go say na juju. Street wise things.